how to turn off enter is send on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off enter is send on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings. Here you will find the chats. Click on it and then just here you will find that enter is sent. All you need to do to turn it off, just click on it, one click, and as you see enter is sent have been turned off, and that's it. It's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.